Good morning, scholars. This is going to be a short C3 lesson. It's on self-regulation. The objective for today is Alice will be able to explain how self-regulation can lead to academic success and good grades. So for our key points, what is self-regulation? Simply put, self-regulation is willpower and self-control. It's being able to do those things that you don't want to do, but that you know you have to do. Self-regulation allows you to work on your homework and complete your work when you really just want to go sit down and watch a Netflix movie or go get on social media or go talk to someone on the phone. Self-regulation tells you, no, you probably shouldn't be doing those things. Finish your work first and then you can do whatever you want to do. Self-regulation is the thing that allows people to get up early and go exercise instead of staying asleep a little bit longer because it's willpower and it's self-discipline. What does self-regulation look like in action? Well, when you have self-regulation, again, just like I was mentioning, you're going to do the things that you may not necessarily want to do. You're going to think before you act. You're going to control your behavior and your emotions better. And you're going to have the ability to maintain focus or attention on a task, as well as the ability to continuously put in effort. So when I think about what self-regulation looks like, or excuse me, what it doesn't look like, I think about my 2-year-old. He right now has no self-regulation. So when he doesn't get something he wants, he literally will scream. He'll throw himself on the floor. He'll throw a tantrum. I mean, he just has no control over his emotions and no control over the way that he exhibits his emotions, right? And so that's the opposite of self-regulation. Self-regulation means that when something isn't going the way that you want it to, you are conscious enough and in control enough of your emotions that, yeah, you may react and say, that's not what I want to be happening right now. That's not right, or that's not fair. But you do it in a way that still shows very much that you are in control of the situation and in control of your emotions. Okay, so for our exit ticket, I know this is short and sweet, but we've got a lot of lessons today, so I'm trying to keep them as short as possible. 1, what is self-regulation? Again, self-discipline, willpower. Just make sure you're answering that in complete sentences, please, and use at least 3 complete sentences. 2, how can self-regulation lead to academic success and good grades? Well, we talked a lot about how when you have self-regulation, you're disciplined, and so you're more likely to do your work that you need to do, which will lead to good grades. What is one specific way that you will use self-regulation to help you meet your goals this quarter? That is a personal question, and I think it's very specifically for the time that we're in. Self-regulation is a skill that is very, very needed and very, very useful, because without self-regulation, it could be very easy to just say, well, I'm just not going to do my work because I don't have a teacher next to me, looking to make sure that I'm doing it, or I'm not having to get up at a certain time. I don't have to be at school physically at a certain time. So I think now more than ever, self-regulation, self-discipline, willpower are going to be really crucial to your success. And you can talk a little bit about that in question number 3. That is all I have for you in this lesson. I look forward to reading your responses. And as always, please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.